second, as they'll stop it with 13 seconds to play in half number one. So on fourth down, here's the Australia native Mitch Wishnowsky to punt this one away. And the win last week punted 4 times as this one's away. Now a hit and a loose football. And now this is scooped up by the 49ers.
Recovered by the kicking team.
The 49er offense set to get this drive underway. And from this spot in the field with the clock where it's at, you think we're just going to see a knee and that's it?
And I think in this situation, that's the proper play. But we do know there's some risk take.
He will find his receiver, Pettis, for a 49ers touchdown.
Touchdown, San Francisco.
3 touchdown passes now for Jimmy Garoppolo.